morning, second class student, all of you. Okay, today we are going to learn about your new lesson. Yesterday I gave you hard words, new words, no? So today I am going to explain the lesson for you all. Okay, water we use. Okay, so water we use, for what purpose we are using the water, and where it is coming. Okay, water for what purpose we are using, and what are the uses of water, and from where we are getting this water. Okay children, so here see, we need water for various purpose, correct or not? For first main thing is what? For drinking, correct or not? We need water for drinking. Okay, so we will start with the lesson. Open your textbook. Okay, open your textbook, and page number is 16. Page number 16, fourth lesson, that is water we use. Okay, so water is very important to all living things. Okay, water is very important for all living things means water, living things means water, human beings, birds, plants, animals, because they all want water. Even we want water, plants want water to grow. Okay, and animals want water for drinking, and even birds also want water. Okay, living things means who have life. Okay, humans, plants and animals cannot live without it. So we cannot stay without the water. Even animals, birds, okay, they cannot stay without the water. Okay, humans and animals need water to live. So we need water for what? For living purpose. Plants need water to grow. I told you, no? Plants want the water for what purpose? When you pour the water for plants, means water, plants will grow. Correct or not? So birds need it too. I told you, no? Even we keep in bowl some small water, quantity of water means in summer season the birds will come and drink the water, no? So even birds also need the water for drinking. Okay, next see the pictures here. The boy is pouring the water for the plants, and see the animals, cows are drinking the water. So here various, we need water for various purposes. Okay, we need water for various purposes. Water, drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, cleaning, putting out fire. Okay, see the pictures here children. I will show you one by one. See here, here is drinking, okay, cooking, okay, see here washing, and see here cleaning, okay, putting out fire, okay, bathing. You are able to see bathing. See bathing. Okay, so for various purpose we need water. Okay, DRIKING, drinking. Okay, COOKING, cooking. WASHING, washing. BATHING, bathing. Cleaning, CLEANING, cleaning. Putting out fire. Putting, PUTTING, putting. OUT, out. OFF, off, putting off fire. Putting out fire. So where does water come from? So we need water for different purposes. From where we are getting this water? Water comes space, different sources. So we will get the water from different ways. What are the source? Okay, the rain is the main source of water. So by our eye we can see that when rain comes, water will come, correct or not? So this is also one of the source of getting water. So the main source of getting water is water, rain. From where we will get from rain we will get the water. This water, rainwater collects in ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, oceans and wells. So where this rainwater will flow? This rainwater will go into the ponds, okay, lakes, rivers, seas, oceans and wells. See, once the rain is coming, see the picture, page number 17. Here, See here, three pictures are given. That is river is there, lake is there, rain is there. So where this water will store? From rainwater, where it will store? It will store in the ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, oceans, wells. See, well is also given here. See, you have to color this picture, okay? So where this water will store in the these ponds, lakes, wells, seas, oceans. Okay. When water flows down the side of a hill with great force and speed, it is called a waterfall. Okay. When any water forcefully it comes, okay. I think you went to Tirupati also. You may be knowing this waterfalls. You will be knowing, correct, na? When the water flows down from the hill, the side of the hill with a great force, that is called waterfall. Okay. We cannot use this rain water okay, directly for drinking. So when rain comes, we will take that water, we will drink. No, we have to clean that rain water. Okay, it should be purified and made germ free before drinking. So what we have to do? We have to purify the water, rain water, and after we have to make the germ free of that water. Okay, we have to take out the germs from that water. Okay, we have to make germ free of that water. Okay, and we have to purify that water. We should always drink clean water. So every time we have to drink clean water, covered water. Okay, not open water. If you drink open water, no, closed utensils water you have to drink. Correct or not? Okay, and that too purified and the fresh water you have to drink. Okay, for this we should boil and filter the water. So what we have to do? We have to, okay, boiling the water. So if you want to purify the water, if you want to make the germ free from the water, so what you have to do? First thing is what? You have to boiling the water. So first you have to boil the water. After that you have to filter the water. So whatever may be the dust, it will drain. Okay. So it will drain. Okay. So for this we have to boil the water and filtering the water. So with this lesson is completed, children. So you go through with the lesson and pictures, see the pictures also. You can understand better. Okay. If you have any doubt, you contact me, children. I will get back to you next video. Have a nice day.